Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The Carnival Sunrise cruise ship docked in Outrage Monday amidst uproar over circumstances surrounding the visit. Many Jamaicans are upset that tourists were allowed to enjoy the country's attractions on a no-movement day. Dwayne Anderson reports.
And I don't think it looked good. You understand? And a lot of people, I believe, it's unfair.
Not everyone is happy that a cruise ship was allowed to visit Jamaica on a no-movement day. The ship Carnival Sunrise docked minutes after 8 Monday morning at the Outrage Pier in St. Anne. From there, the tourists were taken to multiple attractions. Some swam with dolphins at Dolphin Cove. And although not all the attractions were accessible to the media, from what we observed, many of the 1,700 passengers had a good time. We spoke with a tour operator who was upset with the arrangements for this visit.
They should have reviewed and send an email to the cruise line, let them know that we have a 3-day lockdown. If they could reschedule and come on Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. But it doesn't look good to the people of Jamaica to have a cruise ship just arrive today and it's open for about 4 business places in Outrage. What's happened to the rest of people?
But Ms. Kimberly Stiff of the Port Authority of Jamaica is adamant many Jamaicans benefited from the cruise line's visit and not just the so-called big businessmen.
Including guest service assistants. Those persons will help with temperature checks. They also help with logistics, movement of people, telling them where to go, where the various store operators are, etc., etc. So there are a number of jobs or a number of roles that are provided to the average Jamaican person before the cruise passenger even leaves the port. So that narrative that it's a white man day, I'm not sure how it is substantiated because there are various jobs, there are various persons including security, janitorial services. There are a number of persons who benefit from a cruise ship coming here.
Rhonda Evans is one of the tourists from the cruise ship. She said she's been to Jamaica multiple times.
It looks like it's a ghost town now. I mean, you don't have the people cheering around or walking around and greeting you like you usually do.
This is the cruise liner's 3rd visit to Jamaica since the reopening of cruise tourism last month. The authorities stressed that rigorous safety measures guided Monday's visit.
Cruise passengers will participate in controlled tours within a bubble concept. That will enable some form of restriction. We're limiting the ability for them to interact and mix with the public for our own safety, that is the safety of locals, although there is the premise that cruise passengers must be vaccinated as well as they must produce a COVID negative test to embark the cruise ship at the start of their cruise.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.